Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the earbuds and your phone. Make sure the case and buds have at least 20% charge and the Bose Music app is installed. Once done, open the case and remove both earbuds so they power on automatically. This triggers initialization and clears any idle state. Next, put the earbuds in pairing mode by pressing and holding the touch/press sensors on both buds for about 3-4 seconds until the LED flashes white. This tells the earbud firmware to advertise itself to nearby devices. With the earbuds advertising, go to your phone's Bluetooth settings and enable Bluetooth. This lets your device scan for new peripherals. Then select Bose QuietComfort Ultra from the available devices list. You may see a matching code or app prompt. Accept it to establish the link. If you're using the Bose Music app, follow its on-screen pairing confirmation so settings and firmware sync. Make sure to keep the buds and phone within 3 feet during this exchange to avoid dropped packets or failed handshakes. Finish by confirming audio and mic routing. Play music and make a short test call to ensure sound and voice pass through correctly, because OS routing sometimes defaults to phone speakers. Then open the Bose Music app to enable noise cancellation, customize EQ, and install any firmware updates so performance is optimal. If pairing fails, reset the earbuds by placing them in the case, closing it, waiting 30 seconds, then holding the touch sensors for 10+ seconds to force a factory reset. Retry pairing afterward, and the problem will usually clear.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.